Good. How you doing? No, he doesn't.
He doesn't?
No.
Okay.
No.
Okay. Well, since he's a mobility dog, I will double check, but I think.
Yeah. Yeah. You look under 88, Title 3, 36-302.
Okay.
So.
Is your GoPro on?
It is on. Yes.
So, for private property.
No, that's not true as well. No.
So it is our policy.
Listen. Are you a supervisor?
Yes.
Do you know the law?
So.
Do you no? Tell me the law that says I can't record, and I wouldn't let record.
So.
Private property does not supersede state or federal law. Okay, I'm not going to argue with you. I'm just telling you.
So I can allow your dog to be off leash, but I can't allow them to record.
No, that's not true. Show that to me. Where's that state statute that says I cannot record? If you can show me a state statute, I'll comply.
So there's like the federal,
no,
the state, and then we as a private property.
Listen, it doesn't matter if you're private property. It does not supersede state or federal law.
So we just can't allow the recording.
No, I'm telling you. Show me where it says I cannot record.
So it is part of the process.
Show it to me and I'll comply. And I'll tell you what, you're taking up my time and my training time, so when you find it, you come look for me. I'll be here, okay? So, I know the law, and so I know you won't find it. So that's why I'm not gonna stick around for a half hour or 40 minutes, right?
So it is our policy. So if you're gonna argue with me, I'm gonna have to ask you.
I'm not arguing with you. I'm not arguing with you.
The GoPro turned off, and it'll be.
Nope, it's for our training. I document every training, all the training that we do, I record everything. I'll stand by for a police officer, okay? But I'm not gonna sit here and argue with you. Contact the officer, I'll be here. We'll be training, I'll be recording, okay? But you're taking up my time. And our training time is important. Okay? You have a card?
I do not have a card on me.
You don't have a card on you? What's your name?
Ashley
Ashley.
Bowen.
Thank you.